Kei te aro wakamua te marae o Koreneti i ngā wā ka aukatitia te hiko mā te utaina o te i puku iko. Ki te waipuke te awa tupua ka aukati te iko i te iwa. Koe nā te take kei te utaina e te Tarati Community-Led Development Trust i te puku iko o nei. Te āua nei e tapu tino waka ira mo te marae nei.
It's very important to our marae. In the winter time, the power goes off all the time. If we got a tangi on, everything gets overloaded on the power point. We are the last on this line, and everything blows up and nothing happens. We have to ring Te Rata here to get the man down to come down and put our power back on every time we have tangi.
The kaupapa here is part of our emergency management strategy. TCLD Trust has been working for the last few years to strengthen our residents, our wānau, our ahika, that live on the River Road. And that was a result of the flooding that's happened here, the last obviously being the big flood in 2015. We wanted to come in and help to organise or better organise the capability that's currently here. And so part of that was establishment of emergency management plans, and out of those plans fell infrastructure such as emergency generators, defibrillators and other life-saving assets.
E ari koa ana a Auntie Sugar i te mea e kaupapa tēnei no ngā uri o te awa tonu.
All the ones that are doing the work, and we are so grateful for it, that they are from the river. They are our river people and the generation of today. So we're so happy that the time has come for our Māori people to get these fundings and to enable them to have work and bring it back to their maraes.
And it's come about because it's has been formed as a result of an initiative with the Department of Internal Affairs, which is community-led development. And that kaupapa is widespread, spread out throughout the country. We're one of 18 entities that are working in this space.
Ei tā Auntie Sugar ko te mea nui ko te aumarutanga mo tana apori.
I feel very safe now that this has been installed, because I know that if the kui over there is not well, and she hasn't been very well, they've also brought back with this machine a heart defibrillator. We all old people that are living here, the ahika of the marae, nothing under pensioners. But we got a community out there, and they all know that we have the heart defibrillator. They know now that we're getting a generator. Everybody is very happy.
E tāna e tauira tēnei kei te wai wakaro rātou ki te anamata.
The installation of these generators is a demonstration to our younger generation that anything is possible if you have a mind and a heart and a vision. If you have a vision and you're willing to work together towards that vision, to sit down, to kōrero, have an idea and then act upon that idea, I think that's the greatest thing that we can show our rangatahi, that we can dream and we can achieve those dreams, whatever they may be.
Kia kore ai te iko e aukati ki te marae o Koreneti. Iriwere rerikura, te reo o te uru.
Ko te reo